On March 31, 2026, the global JavaScript ecosystem suffered a devastating supply chain nuclear attack. Axios, the most widely used HTTP client, with over 100 million weekly downloads, was directly poisoned via the official maintainer's NPM account with a cross-platform rat remote access Trojan that includes advanced anti-forensic capabilities. Even worse, the widely circulated leaked Claude source code packages and the popular iGateway project OpenClaw may both be contaminated with this malicious version. Your DEV machine or company server could have been fully compromised by hackers within just 1.1 seconds of running NPM install, and you still have no idea. In this video, I will fully break down this attack carried out by a state-sponsored apt group, walk you step by step through checking if your devices or projects are infected, and finally give you a complete defense framework from individual DEVs to enterprises that fully immunizes against this entire attack class. Let's make one critical point clear: this attack is on an entirely different level from typo squatting you've heard before. Previous attacks against Axios relied on hackers registering typo squatted packages like Axios, waiting for DEVs to make a typing mistake. But this time, attackers hijacked the official NPM account of Axios' lead maintainer and published poisoned packages under legitimate account credentials and version numbers to both the official latest and legacy branches. If you ran npm install, npm update, or even automated CI or CD builds between 0:21 UTC and 3:29 UTC on March 31st, 2026, you could have pulled the official malicious version, no typo required. Malware only exists in the npm tarball, not in GitHub source code. If you check Axios' GitHub, you see nothing wrong. This completely neutralizes all static source code scanners. Many people rush to download unofficial leaked Claude source packages. Most are bundled with malicious Axios. OpenClaw Popular JS or TS project uses Axios as its default HTTP client. If you use OpenClaw and updated dependencies in the high-risk window, check immediately. Once installed, the attack begins instantly. Within 1.1 seconds, post-install triggers a curl request directly to the attacker's C2 server, downloading the platform-specific rat payload faster than NPM finishes resolving dependencies. After 36 seconds, malware performs process orphaning, detaches from the NPM parent process, is reparented to the system init process, becomes a background ghost process that EDA tools struggle to trace via process tree. After execution, the malware self-destructs its malicious script and forges plain crypto.js back to clean version for .2.0, erasing all traces. Attackers deploy tailored rats per OS. At this point, all keys, credentials, code, and data are stolen. Now the most important part: how to confirm 100% if you're infected. Do not trust node modules. The malware erases evidence. Follow these 3 steps, no shortcuts. Step 1. Audit dependency lock files. Lock files package lock, John, yarn, lock, bun, lock permanently record every version installed cannot be forged. You can run these commands in the root directory of your project. If you see 1.14.1, 0.30.4, or plain crypto.js project contaminated. Step 2. Check system-level malicious files. If lock files show issues or you installed during the window, check for rat files immediately. Step 3. Detect malicious network traffic. Check for connections to attacker. C2, or review firewall or router logs after March 31st. What if you're infected? How to prevent future attacks? This framework covers emergency response plus long-term immunity, fully actionable. Do not just delete node modules, kill processors, or uninstall packages. State-sponsored apt rats implant multiple backdoors and steal all credentials instantly. Only 3 valid steps: immediate physical isolation, unplug Ethernet, disconnect Wi-Fi, block lateral movement, full disk wipe plus clean OS reinstall, no repairs only assigned, clean image removes the rat completely, full credential rotation, revoke and regenerate all passwords, keys, tokens, cloud API keys, NPM tokens. Do not just change passwords. Do these 3 things to block 99% of supply chain attacks. Edit package, John, and pin Axios to safe versions. Remove to block auto updates. Use npm CI instead of npm install. Strictly follows lock file no version drift. Kill the attack vector. Enterprises need endpoint plus network layers beyond code hardening, strict internal dependency approval, no direct public NPM accessible EDR for abnormal processes, and outbound traffic liast privilege endpoint control. As a supplementary layer for endpoint and peripheral control, USB Disk Security Pro strengthens defense and provides centralized device management, web console for remote USB or network policy controls, smart-time-based policies, and multi-layer security. To wrap up, even the most trusted, official open source libraries cannot be blindly trusted. Share this with every DevOps friend you know. Early checks equals less damage. I'll keep covering major global cybersecurity events with deep breakdowns and actionable defenses.